another episode of Halloween. Today is a vampire bat. For his face, I am using darker purple. Let's make sure to make it inside of the Sharpie pen. And also his upper ear. Lighter purple on his nose and inner ear and his tummy. And outside I am putting the darker purple again, and his feet also, and his wing. And flappy part, I'm using lighter purple again. It is a lavender color. Now Play-Doh time. I'm taking purple mixed with white to make lighter purple. It's a little bit of blue side. And outside of the body, I used a noodle, made a noodle, and put it on. Another one is the sideway oval and pinch on the side. And let's put the googly eye and diamond shape on the nose. And 2 dots as his nose hole, and make him smile, and pointy teeth. Lighter purple on the other side. Let's pinch the tip and darker purple. On his feet. And push, push, push. Let's make the flappy part. Push, 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 push. The other side. Make it flat. And I'm using the darker purple to make noodle and cut it. And the top, oops, let's fix the height. And the other side. Last part on top, and pinch, and one more pinch. And you know what, let's fix the mouth using half circle on both sides, and pointy teeth again, upside down triangle. And this is a vampire. Happy Halloween! Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.